Hello everybody, it's Hannah here from Burnham Library and I'm coming to you from my home in Weston-super-Mare with a craft video. And today we're going to have a go at making some cloud dough. Here's some I made earlier and it's best described as really soft Play-Doh, okay? Super easy to make and it only takes a couple of ingredients which you may have at home already or it's really easy to find in the supermarket. So what do you need? First you'll need corn flour, some conditioner, you'll need a bowl to mix it in, a cup, some spoons, and today we're going to try and colour our cloud dough blue. So you'll also need some food colouring as well. Okay, so first things first is you need to measure out your corn flour. Now you'll need 1 cup of corn flour, which I've already measured out here. So I'm going to put that in my bowl. Okay, use the spoon to get the rest out. Okay, now you need about half a cup, maybe just a little bit under, of conditioner. So I'll measure this out here. Okay. And we can always add in a little bit more if we need to later on. So I'm going to pour the conditioner in here. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to start giving it a good mix. I'll try and show you as I go along what it looks like. Okay. So you can see it is white, but it's still starting to form some lumps, which is good. And you just need to keep stirring it till it comes together, okay? There we go. It's starting to come together a little bit more. There we go. So we've got quite a few lumps here. And what I'm going to do at this stage, it's not quite in a ball of dough, but I'm going to pour in just a few drops of our food colouring. I've chosen blue. You can choose whatever colour that you'd like. I'm just going to pour a little bit in. I'll just show you how much I've done there. So you can see there. And then I'm going to mix that in as well. Hopefully we'll get a nice blue colour out of our dough. Okay, if it's not quite coming together as a ball, a good trick is to pop your hands in and gather it all together and mix it, which is what I'm going to do now. This is working much better. And you also have to knead it a little bit as well. So I'll just show you how we are there. You can see it is a little bit crummy, but we are getting a solid bit there. Which is great. I might add just a little bit more conditioner as it is a little bit dry. But I'm only going to pop a little bit in because we don't want it too sticky. If yours does get too sticky, then the trick there is to add more corn flour. Okay. And we'll keep mixing it in. Until it's all come together. There we go. That's much better there now. So that little bit of extra conditioner did the trick. As you can see, I've got a solid bit of cloud dough there in my hand. I only put a little bit of food colouring in, so it is a very light blue at the moment, which is absolutely fine. If you wanted a darker colour, just put a little bit more food colouring in until you get the colour desired. Okay. This is the perfect consistency. Now I'm really happy with this. And the best place to store it would probably be in an airtight container just to make it last a little bit longer. Okay, and there we have it. That's our cloud dough all finished. Super easy recipe and really simple to make. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to like and share the video. And also send us in some of your pictures of your finished cloud dough because we'd love to see them. So please join me again for another craft. Thank you everybody. Bye.